Hello guys, it's about 11:55 p.m. What you're looking at right now, you're looking at some pork chops. And then go down a little further, we have chicken and veggies and gravy. And then the next thing that we have next to it, we have right here, we have two chicken breasts stuffed with veggies and bacon. This salad right here is going to my friend slash sister for her and her family, so she won't have to cook. I said that on a video back. And then she getting this cake. So tomorrow, when she leaves dialysis, she won't have to cook. Right here, I made her a jalapeno pepper, or just say a jalapeno pepper with chicken and veggies and and a lot of cheese. As you can see in the back, you see some cornbread. She said she loved my cornbread. So I got her some cornbread back there. I'm taking her just in the morning. And then under the bottom, this black pot is some hot and spicy baked beans. And right here, we have a jambalaya with veggies and shrimps. The shrimp was big, so I cut them in half so it can make it look like I have a whole lot, which it does and look good. And then I have some more stuff I'm going to give it to her. Anyway, comment, share, and like. And subscribe. All right, talk to you guys later.